Now students, I will start with the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 7, that is permutation and combination. In the miscellaneous exercise, the first question is, how many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonant, two vowels and three consonants can be formed from the letter of word daughter. Daughter, DAUGHTER. Okay, how many words with or without meaning can be each of two vowels and three consonant can be formed from the letter of the word daughter. Now you see, आपको दो वॉवल्स और थ्री कॉन्सोनेंट यूज करने हैं टू फॉर्म द डिफरेंट लेटर्स ऑफ द वर्ड दैट इज डॉटर. Now first of all you have to pick up the vowels. The vowels are in this is A, E, U. These three are the vowels, and consonants are B, G, H, T and R. These five are consonant. D, G, H, T, R. Five are consonant and three are vowels. Now the students, how to arrange the different words. So therefore, out of these three vowels, two can be selected in 3C2 ways, and out of these five, three in 5C3 ways. Both are different. The total ways, and these five, two vowels and three consonants can be themselves arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. So total ways, the total words will be out of three vowels, out of these three vowels, two selected in 3C2 ways and 3 out of 5 in 5C3 ways, and these five letters themselves arranged in 5 factorial ways. So therefore the total way will be this, or you may simplify this as 3 factorial upon r, that is 2 factorial and 1 factorial n minus r, into 5 factorial upon 3 factorial and n minus r 2 factorial, and into 5 factorial, that is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, this on simplification will gives you 3 into 2 factorial, and this will gives you 10, that is 5 into 4, 3 cancel, and 5, 4, and this will be 120. That implies the total ways will be 3600. So these are the total ways you can, total words means the how many words with or without meaning, the total words are 3600 you can form. Okay, now after this is the question number first. Now after this I will start with another, the question number third of your miscellaneous exercise. Is a very important question. A committee of 7 has to be formed. Committee किसकी बनानी है? 7 की. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys. The number of boys are 9 and 4 girls. The number of girls are 4. In how many ways this can be done when a committee of number 1, the first case is exactly, the committee consists of exactly 3 girls. अगर कमेटी के अंदर एग्जैक्टली 3 गर्ल्स हैं तो हाउ मेनी ways this can be formed? You students, you see, committee will consist of 7, total will be 7, and exactly 3 girls means we having 4 girls. In 4 girls में से 3 select करनी है, total 7 लेने हैं, बाकी 9 boys में से कितने selection आएगी? That is 4, because the committee consists of total 7 members. Out of these you have to pick up exactly 3 girls. Out of 4, the 3 girls can be selected in 4C3 ways, and the remaining 4 from boys, and total will be 4c3 into this, and on simplification this will gives you 4 factorial, 3 factorial and 1 factorial. Need not to write it again and again. 1 factorial, 9 factorial and 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Therefore this will gives you 4 into 9, 8, 7, 6, and this is 4, 3, 2. This 4, 3, 2 become 8, and this will gives you 2. So therefore 4 into 9 into 7 into 2 will be the total total base. Means you may write it as 8 to 8 and 56 into 9. That can be written as 504 are the total base when exactly 3 girls are to be selected. Now the second case, I am taking the second part of this. In the second part he asked, in the second, at least 3 girls. In the second, that is, you have to choose at least 3 girls. अब आपको कम से कम 3 गर्ल्स लेनी है, तो इसके टोटल बेस कितने बनेंगे? द 3 गर्ल्स, pick up 3 girls out of this. So therefore to committee of 7 when at least 3 girls. So see, you have in total 9 boys and 4 girls. You have to pick up at least 3 girls. अगर 3 गर्ल्स आती हैं तो 4 बॉयज आएंगे, और अगर 4 गर्ल्स आती हैं तो 3 बॉयज आएंगे. तो देयर आर 2 ways to select at least 3 girls out of these 9 and 4. So how the total base will be? The total base in this case will be the total base, total selections will be, that is, out of these 4 girls you select 3, but out of these 9 boys you have to select 4. Plus the second case, that is, out of these 4 you have to select all 4, and out of these 9 you have to select 3. And on simplification this will gives you 4 factorial upon 3 factorial and 1 factorial, and 9 factorial upon 4 factorial and 5 factorial, plus this will gives you 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 0 factorial, and into 9 factorial upon 3 factorial and 6 factorial. And students, this becomes 4. This will gives you, I already solved this, 9, 8, 7 and 6 upon, that is 4, 3 and 2. अभी ये solve करा था हमने, plus 4 factorial, this will gives you 1. So need not write this one, and this will gives you 9 factorial upon, or this 9 can be written as 9, 8, 6, 3 and 2, and you simplify this and get the result of second case. Okay, now after this second case I will start with the third. What is given in the third case? In the third case, at most 3 girls. The third is you have to select at most 3 girls. Now what are the possible ways to select at most 3 girls? अब at most 3 girls means ज़्यादा 3 girls पिकअप करनी है, तो कैसे? यहाँ से 9 boys हैं, 4 girls हैं. At most 3 means ज़्यादा 3, then 2, then 1 and over. And out of these 9 you have to select this 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. Okay, 6, 8, 7. Okay, so therefore the total arrangement of this will be, total base, total selections of this will be, out of 9 you have to select, out of 4 girls you have to select at most 3, then remaining 4 selected from the 9 boys, and plus second case, out of these 2 and out of these 9 boys you have to select the 5 to make the combination of 7, and plus 4c1, and out of these 9 you have to select 6, and the next case is 4c0 means at most ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 girls, कम से कम कोई भी नहीं होगी. Therefore this can be written as 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial, and 9 factorial upon 4 factorial and 5 factorial, plus this is 4 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial into 9 factorial, 5 factorial and 4 factorial plus 4 factorial and 3 factorial into 9 factorial and 6 factorial and 3 factorial plus 4c 0, that it means 4 factorial, 0 factorial and 0 factorial means 1. I am writing here that is 0 factorial and that is n minus r factorial and into 9 factorial upon 7 factorial and 2 factorial. And you solve this becomes 4, and similarly try to solve all these and get the total ways to select at most 3 colors. This is the question number 3rd. Now after this 3rd, I will start with another problem, that is question number 5th of your miscellaneous exercise. The question number 5th is how many 6-digit number? Now you have to write the 6-digit number. How many 6-digit number can be formed from the digits? The digits are given as 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, which are divisible by 10. And the condition is they must be divisible by 10 and no digit is repeated, और कोई भी digit repeat नहीं करना चाहिए. तो therefore see how to make the selection of this. In order to form the 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, in order to write the 6-digit number there is no 0. इस place पे 0 नहीं होगी. Okay, and the remaining 5, this remaining, the total digits are 6, and out of this 6 you have to write the digit number of 6-digit number. But while writing the 6-digit number, 0 will not be in this place, and if 0 is not in this place, so therefore this place can be written in 5 ways. Total are 5 ways, because you write 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in this place. Now remaining these 1, 2, 3, 4, remaining 5, how to fill up these 5? Now the 0 is also possible and 1 digit we used here, the remaining digits are 5, but the condition is divisible by 10, so therefore in this unit place 0 will be here. यहाँ पर 0 होगा, क्यों? This is divisible by 10, ये 10 से डिवाइड करेगा तो इसका मतलब 0 हो गया. अब हमारे पास 0 भी चला गया और एक कोई और डिजिट लेफ्ट 7 चला गया है, तो we left with 4 डिजिट. अब इन 4 प्लेसेस में 4 डिजिट को अरेंज करना है. तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. 4 प्लेसेस आउट ऑफ 4 डिजिट कैन बी रिटन इन. तो अब कैसे इसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे? In this first you having total 5 ways, because 0 is not repeated. The total ways, I am writing here the total arrangement, total ways, that is equal to, this is total 5 ways. Now to arrange these 4 out of these 4, this can be arranged in 4 ways, or in this unit place. Since divisible by this, so therefore only 1 0 is there, so this will be 1, and total ways will be 5, 4p4, that is 4 factorial upon 0 factorial, that is 4 factorial, and into 1, and you may write it as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this will gives you 120. So these are the total arrangement of this to write the 6-digit number out of the given digits. Okay, now after that students, I will start the another problem, that is question number 7. Yes, 7th question आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में है. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions. You students read the question carefully and start doing this. Total questions 12, divided into 2 parts. And these 12 questions divided into 2 parts, part first and part second, containing 5 and 7 questions respectively. इसमें 5 questions हैं और इसमें 7 questions हैं. A paper consists of 2 parts having 5 questions and 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions. अब students को पेपर में 8 attempt करने हैं. Total 8 question करके आना है. Selecting at least 3 from each part, और हर पार्ट में से 3 यूज करने हैं. In how many ways can a student select the questions? So therefore you have to select at least 3 from each part. अगर इसमें से 3 लेता हूँ तो सेकंड पार्ट में से 5 क्योंकि टोटल क्वेश्चन 8 करने हैं, और यहाँ से अगर मैं 4 लेता हूँ तो इधर भी 4 आएंगे, और यहाँ पर 5 लेता हूँ तो इधर कितने आ जाएंगे? 3 आएंगे. ओके, इन हाउ मेनी वेज दिस कैन बी रिटन? तो देयरफॉर हाउ टू सेलेक्ट दिस? The total arrangement, total ways will be, see, total question 12. The part first consists of 5 questions, second consists 7 questions, and total question you have to do, that is 8. 8 क्वेश्चन करने हैं, लेकिन कम से कम 3 हर एक पार्ट के होना चाहिए. तो मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करता हूँ? जैसे फर्स्ट पार्ट में 5 क्वेश्चन है, उसमें से कम अगर 3 लेता हूं तो आपको 8 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने के लिए सेकंड पार्ट में से 5 सेलेक्ट करने पड़ेंगे. फिर प्लस दूसरा कॉम्बिनेशन क्या बनेगा? फर्स्ट में अगर 5 में से अगर आप 4 यूज करते हैं तो दूसरे में से जो 7 वाला क्वेश्चन है उसमें भी 4 लेने पड़ेंगे टू अटेम्प्ट टोटल 8 क्वेश्चंस. नाउ इन द थर्ड केस 5 में से अगर मैं 5 लेता हूं, बिकॉज द कंडीशन इज एटलीस्ट 3, कम से कम 3 लेने, ज्यादा 5 भी कर सकते हैं आप लोग, और प्लस आउट ऑफ दिस 7 यू हैव टू पिक अप 3. इज इट क्लियर? सी वंस अगेन द टोटल क्वेश्चंस आर 12 and in a question paper there are 2 parts. Number 1 part having 5 questions, second part के अंदर 7 questions हैं. टोटल आपको 8 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने हैं, और कम से कम 3 क्वेश्चन जो है हर एक पार्ट से आने चाहिए. तो आई स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस फ्रॉम दिस फर्स्ट पार्ट. अगर फर्स्ट पार्ट में से 3 लेता हूँ तो दूसरे से 5 लेने पड़ेंगे. 4 है तो दूसरे से 4 आएंगे. अगर फर्स्ट में 5 दूसरे में 3 आएंगे. तो देयरफॉर द टोटल वेज विल दिस, एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. दैट इज 5 फैक्टोरियल upon 3 factorial and 2 factorial into 7 factorial and 5 factorial and n minus 2 factorial, plus that is 5 factorial upon 4 factorial into 1 factorial and 7 factorial upon 4 factorial and 3 factorial, plus this can be written as 5, that is 5 factorial upon 5 factorial and 0 factorial, and plus of this is into 7, that is 7 factorial upon 3 factorial and 4 factorial. Now here I am writing this. How to pick up this? That is 5. This will be written as, first of all solve this, that is 5 factorial. मैं यहाँ इसको solve कर रहा हूँ. That is 5 factorial written as 5 into 4 and 2 factorial. So this will gives you 10 into the second case, that is 7 factorial. 7 can be written as 7 6 into 5 upon 2. So this will gives you 21. So net result of this first part will be 210. Okay, in this way you have to solve this. Next second, that is 5 factorial will be 5, and this will gives you 7 factorial upon 4 factorial can be written as 7. Writing as 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, and 3 into 2 cancel हो जाएगा. 35 into 5, that is equal to 175, and the same way this becomes 1, and 7 factorial will be written as 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 into 2. This will gives you 35 and into 1, so total 35, and you have to add them and get the result. The total ways will be, that is 0, 3, 10, 11 and 12, that is 420. So these are the total arrangement, total selection of this, how to select this. Okay, now I am starting with the question number, after this 7, the question number next I am taking, that is 10th. That is from a class of 25 students. अब क्लास के अंदर 25 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. 10 आर चूजन फ्रॉम एक्स पर्सन पार्टी. 10 स्टूडेंट्स को किसी पार्टी के लिए चूज पिकअप करना है. देयर आर 3 स्टूडेंट्स हु डिसाइड either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? तो अब आपको क्या करना है? टोटल जो हैं वो 25 स्टूडेंट्स. इन 25 में से 3 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी चॉइस है, या तो वो जाना चाहते हैं या तो नहीं जाना चाहते, देयरफॉर 22 जो है, मींस 3 आर इन द वीआईपी कैटेगरी, वो साइड में रखेंगे। इन 25 में से 3 वीआईपी कैटेगरी में जाते हैं, उन पे डिपेंड करता है आइदर दे ज्वाइन और नॉट, और बाकी जो रह गए वो 22 रह गए। अब आपको 10 की सिलेक्शन करनी है, तो फर्स्ट केस में क्या आएगा, आउट ऑफ दीज 22 यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट 7, क्योंकि 3 तो सिलेक्टेड है, और अगर ये नहीं जाना चाहते तो देयरफॉर आउट ऑफ दीज 22 यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द 10, टोटल 10। इज इट क्लियर? टोटल आर 25, आउट ऑफ दिस 25 3 आर इन द वीआईपी कैटेगरी। इन 3 में से इनकी चॉइस पे डिपेंड करता है, आइदर दे ज्वाइन और नॉट। अगर फर्स्ट केस इफ दे वांट टू ज्वाइन, तो देयरफॉर यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट आउट ऑफ दिस 22 7, and second case if they not want to join, then out of 22 you have to select total 10, so therefore total base will be this. So this is the solution of question number 10. So this all about your chapter, that is permutation and combination.